Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope that you are fine and fit by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm not bad by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Abdullah Al Mamun. I'm a student of Paspir Degree College, as well as I am English learner, as well as I am English video creator. Once again, before you, right now I'm staying here in my own potato field, which is located in our village. Okay, after long days, I'm staying here in this place and I'm practicing my English language every single. Okay, now I have been working in my potato field since morning. It is so amazing for me. Okay, right now, as you can see behind me, there are so many potato trees. It is so amazing for me. Okay, I know that potato are so delicious and precious product in our Bangladesh. For that, every person in a year in this season cultivate potato, and I cultivate some potato in my own village. It is so good for me. Okay, today is Friday. It is good day our Muslims nations, because it is very special day than others day. Okay, right now every Muslims will go mosque for prayer. Now I will go mosque and I will pray for me, and I will pray for my parents, and I will pray for my sibling. It is so good for me. Okay, now I will go my own mosque, and I will come back in my home, and I will open my fertilizer shop. It is so good for me. Okay, today's temperature is very high. The sun is above my head. I'm hard working in my potato field since morning. Besides, at that time I'm practicing my English language every single day. I know that English is hard language for us. Why English is hard language for us? Because we are not practicing our English language every time and every moment. For that, English is hard language. Okay, now as you can see behind me, there are so many different kind of fertilizer. Now I'm giving some fertilizer. Now I'm giving some fertilizer. It is so amazing for me. Okay, what all I will give fertilizer, such as urea, such as MOP. What is MOP? What is abbreviation of MOP? Muriate of potash. It is main fertilizer in my own fertilizer shop. It is so nice for me. Okay, after long days I'm staying here in this place and I'm practicing my English language every single. Okay, now as you can see over there are so many houses, but I can't see every houses properly, because Bangladesh is an agricultural country, and Bangladesh is poor country than other countries. Okay, now I'm practicing my English language. Every person seeing my face, and every person seeing my camera, because now I'm alone staying here on my own paddy field. For that, every person seeing my face. It doesn't matter, because I'm practicing my English language, and I know that English is hard language. For that, I always practice and I always record my own brand content. Okay, I have been thinking since morning I will come here in this place and I will make my new brand content. Okay, finally I have come here in this place and I'm practicing my English language. Okay, now I'm very thirsty and I'm very hungry, because I have been working in my potato field since morning. For that, I'm very thirsty, and now I will go my home and I will swim in my uncle's pond. It is so good for me. Okay, now today the work is in, and I will go my home and I will go Moscow. Okay, right now as you can see over there is one small main road. This is Bakorehat to Patilapur main road. Every person will go Bakorehat market and every person go Patilapur. It is so it is so good for me. Okay, after long days I'm practicing my English language in this place, because I'm very busy with my daily activities. For that, I'm not practicing my English language every single day. It is so tough for me. Okay, everyone support me and everyone pray for me, because I can't English properly and I'm practicing my English language every single day. I know that English is hard language for us. For that, I always practice and I always record my own brand content. Okay, as you can see over there are so many banana trees. I know that banana are so delicious product in our Bangladesh. When I was weak, that time I eaten banana, because it is very delicious product in our Bangladesh. Okay, thanks for watching this video. The video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more longer. Keep practicing, keep learning. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.